Imagine transforming raw numbers into stunning visuals that speak volumes. Intrigued? Let's dive in. Hey, data wizards. Ever felt stuck staring at endless rows of data? It's time to level up your game and become a data storytelling pro. Join us as we dive into the art and science of data visualization. We're talking finalizing those dashboard visualizations for your next big presentation. And guess what? It's not just about making it look pretty. It's about making your data meaningful and interactive. Learn how to present your insights in ways that captivate your audience. Imagine your data coming to life, guiding decisions and driving actions. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned analyst, this is your chance to master the skills that make data unforgettable. Say goodbye to boring charts and hello to visuals that tell powerful stories. So, what are you waiting for? Join us live to create visuals that bring data stories to life. Let's get started and make your data shine.